You're not going to find another property like this near Mendenhall. This might be the best family house in Mississippi. Welcome to a one-of-a-kind waterfront retreat on 2.4 serene acres. This four-bedroom, three-bathroom home blends timeless charm with modern comfort, offering a rare opportunity to enjoy privacy, space, and breathtaking natural views. Quiet, peaceful living. Outside, the property truly comes alive. A screened porch invites you to unwind while soaking in waterfront views, and a separate workshop provides room for hobbies, projects, or extra storage. The circular drive enhances the estate feel, and the private 2.4-acre setting ensures tranquility and space to roam. Whether you're looking for a serene weekend getaway, a full-time residence, or a private family retreat, this Mississippi waterfront property delivers on all fronts. Don't miss this rare chance to own a home that combines character, comfort, and unparalleled natural beauty. Schedule your showing today and experience the charm, privacy, and endless possibilities this estate offers.